From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, and thank you for joining me for your Campus Weather Service forecast this morning. I'm student meteorologist Matt Ludwig. If we take a look at a weather stem camera over Happy Valley this morning, we see that we have a cloudy sky. If we take a look at our temperatures, we'll notice that we are very warm. We are at 61 degrees, which is a little bit warmer than our average high for this time of the year. Winds are calm, and we do have visibility around 10 miles, and winds will begin to pick up later on today. For today, it will be mild and a little bit damp by times. For Friday through the weekend, we will be cooler and much drier, and temperatures will begin to warm up as we head into early next week. If we take a look at temperatures right now, however, we see that we are already quite warm. 61 is your temperature in State College, 64 in Johnstown, 68 in Altoona. If we take a look off to our north and west, we see that temperatures are a little bit cooler. The warm air that is coming in from the southwest has not quite reached some of these areas yet. 49 is your temperature in Allentown, 51 in Harrisburg. 64 is a warm spot in Pittsburgh. If we take a look at our temperature change compared to yesterday, we see that we are a lot warmer this time than we were yesterday. 22 is the temperature change in Altoona, so they are 22 degrees warmer than they were at this time yesterday. Much of the state is between 5 and 10 degrees above where they were at this time yesterday. And if we take a look at temperatures for today, we see that they won't change a whole lot through today. The only exception to that will be in the southwestern part of the state, where temperatures may briefly flirt with the 70-degree mark. But tonight, temperatures will begin to fall very quickly with the passage of a cold front. 48 will be your 11:30 temperature in Johnstown and State College, 45 in Bradford. And take a look at this. Temperatures will fall into the upper 30s in a couple of spots, but most of the state will be in the lower to middle 40s for your low temperatures tonight. If we take a look, if we continue to run these out, we see that we won't warm up very much tomorrow. 49 will be your high in Johnstown, 50 in State College, or the temperatures at 2:30, excuse me. And if we take a look at our radar and satellite, we see that we do have a band of showers and light showers that are approaching the State College area now. The bulk of the rain is moving through the New York area. We will have a couple of bands of showers and maybe a rumble of thunder in our southwest later on today. This is all with the association of a cold front that stretches from St. Louis to north central Ohio. This front will continue to push through the region today, ushering in much cooler temperatures for tonight. Before then, we have a couple of future radar shows a couple of rounds of showers and maybe a rumble of thunder in the southwest that move on through tonight. And it does try to pop a couple of sprinkles in the northern tiers of counties, but I think that most of us will remain dry. And even any lake effect sprinkles that pop up will be isolated and light. And if we continue to run this out, we will begin to clear out for your day tomorrow. Just a couple of clouds, especially in the Laurel Highlands and north central regions of the state. If we take a look at our forecast for today, most of us, we will have a high of 66 degrees and we'll be cloudy and wet mostly in the morning hours with winds coming in from the west to southwest. For tonight, we'll be much cooler tonight than we were last night. Mostly cloudy. We will have a wind coming in from the north at 10 to 15 miles an hour with a low of 44. For tomorrow, we will be much cooler than we were today with a high of 54 and mostly sunny conditions. But if we take a look at our game day forecast for 7:30 on Saturday, we will be at 50 degrees with partly cloudy skies, and it will be a little bit breezy with winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Don't forget that this weekend the clocks do move back. We will gain an extra hour of sleep tonight. The clocks will move back at 2 o'clock Sunday morning, back to 1 o'clock. So don't forget to change your clocks and your smoke detector batteries as well this weekend. If we take a look at our 7-day forecast, rain today with a high of 66, and then we will be much cooler for tomorrow, and we will dry out for next week, and temperatures will slowly begin to rebound through early next week. Thank you for joining me this morning. Have a great day.